Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is me Asha Shahjahan and I am a NEET aspirant. So today's video is going to be a quick study table tour. So yeah, let's begin. So guys, now let's get back to exploring your studying table. Thing I just wanted to show to you guys is the notes, some notes that I sticked on my walls. And when it comes to the second thing, that I write the old chapters of physics and chemistry and biology in my walls, so that I can always see which chapters, how many chapters that we have for the NEET examination. That is 30 chapter physics and 30 chapter chemistry and 30 chapter biology. So there are almost 100 chapters, so that I can always see this. And I also categorize the chapters in physics into mechanics, thermodynamics, electricity and magnetism, optics and modern physics. Like that, I also branched in our chemistry also, like physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. The next thing that I written on my walls is that this prayer that I recite every morning and before sleeping. And this one is obviously necessary for us, that is the calendar. And besides the calendar, I have a whiteboard, a small whiteboard. I use that to, sometimes I write timetable on that, or sometimes I just teach myself, because I love teaching. So I can study better by teaching to me. Like if I explain to myself, I can study it better. So what I do is I just go and teach in that whiteboard. So yeah, so that's the purpose of that whiteboard there. So next thing is the sum of books that I got from my earlier coaching institute. That is the Pradeep's book and Dinesh objective books. And this is the xylem handwritten notes. And next comes the very important thing, that is the NCERT at your fingertips. This is almost every NEET student have this thing. So I never had this NCERT at fingertips. This is a new edition. Like I read NCERT as a PDF version in my phone before, but that eventually that become very uncomfortable to me. So what I did is I just brought the new version, like the new edition of NCERT at fingertips. And the next thing is the Concept of Physics by H.C. Verma book. And in that shelf I also have some of my personal notebooks. And now I have this, my personal notebook that is written by me. And another thing is the NCERT, like the physics NCERT text. And I will show you guys my NCERT text, okay? And there is a place in my studying table which is only for stationery halls. Like I place my old cute sketches and stuffs there. And these are the highlighters and glue that I usually use. These are some of the sticky notes that I brought from Amazon recently. Next is the lowest shelf, where I placed a lot of books there, especially physics books. The first book is The Concept of Physics by H.C. Verma, I mean the part 2 book, and the next book is the one book that I never touched till date, that is the Problems in General Physics by I.E. Erdo. I just wanted to solve this book, but I didn't get time for that, but inshallah whenever I get time I will definitely do this. And here comes the book called as The Solutions of that I.E. Erdo, and I also contain some other books and also place some papers which I just solved some MCQs in that. Next is the very lowest shelf, where I placed all of my NCERT textbook. Whenever I need an NCERT textbook, I just go and grab one from there. This is actually my wardrobe, and even in my wardrobe I just placed some sticky notes, and I write like volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, and also that 5 4 3 triangle, where the opposite side of 4 is equal to 53 degree and the opposite side of the 3 is equal to 37 degree. And this is the second wardrobe in my room, and in this I just pasted some things like the properties of equilateral triangle, and also the properties of isosceles triangles, like the angles, the both angles are equal, and those stuffs like that, like silly stuffs. I mean it's not silly, but still like some basic mathematics, just like that. And also like the general formula of alkene and stuffs. Yeah, that's it. I always have a habit of sticking these kind of stuffs here, so I will show you something. Okay. So guys, right now I am in terrace here. So now let me show you one thing, okay? So as I already told you that I have a habit of sticking questions and stuff in my home. So you can see where I stick this. I will show you that. So this is actually a question of vernier caliper, to find out the minimum inaccuracy. Okay, this is to find out minimum inaccuracy. So guys, remember minimum inaccuracy means least count. So this is a question to find out the least count of a vernier caliper. So I will show you where I stick this. So actually I stick this in my terrace, like this is the terrace, and I just put all those stuffs. Like I had a lot of stickers here, but actually I have a small brother, so he destroyed everything. So the only one left here is this one. So let's try to do this problem here. So the question says that the vernier scale of a calipers has 50 divisions which coincides with 49 main scale divisions. If each main scale division is of 0.5 millimeter, then the minimum inaccuracy in the measurement by caliper is. So let's find out the answer to this question. As we know, least count of the vernier caliper is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division, and we also know the formula, that is least count is equal to main scale division into 1 minus m by n, where m is the number of divisions of main scale which coincide with the number of divisions of vernier scale. So here, as per the information,
the value of 1 main scale is equal to 0.5 millimeter. So 0.5 millimeter into 1 minus what? How many main scale division? 49 main scale division. 1 minus 49 divided by 50, that is equal to 0.5 into 1 by 50. So the final answer will become 0.01 millimeter. Oh yes, there is an answer. The third option is the correct one. I guess this is the correct one.
That's all for today's video, guys. So see you guys in next video. Till then, all of you guys study well and take care. Bye bye.